Hello, a friend Bernard Moko by Fofoofo TV. So, yeah, and then what I'm about to show how I with my day. I translated Pinduoduo app to English. That's from Chinese to English, and you will have to need WeChat account. Yeah, so in the video now, I'll teach you how you can just do. It's very simple. But before that, we all see and we all know say now, no, the rate is going up, which is the dollar RMB rate, it is going up. And yeah, and it's good for us because we importers know we always want the rate to go up so that at least you have to use few cities to purchase goods. And if you're planning of starting business, this is a very moment for you to start. And also we will be outside and Nema free China, then you need RMB. You can assist you can contact us and we will assist you in getting the RMB as well. And I've also cross help us on Nema heavy products to say from Alibaba. You can also contact us and I will personally assist you to buy the goods. Yeah. Any product if you person to fry Alibaba, yeah, you can just contact me because recently I've been buying a lot of goods for people. Yeah, whether heavy products and I say lesser products, we can assist you with that. All right, and then if you're also willing to start a training, all you have to do is also contact me. I'll personally be your teacher. I'll teach you how to start this mini importation journey, and by the end of the day, you know the process involved to get your mini importation journey started. Yeah. So with this being said, no, I think I will just venture into the video then. Right. So first of all, you have to get a verified WeChat account. To get a verified WeChat account, and yet that's simple. And unfortunately, if you come, I won't be able to assist you. But these are the steps that you can follow to get a verified WeChat account. One, you have to get somebody who's already on WeChat that you know. They can assist you with that. And as I say, if you are already in the importation business, you can just contact or supplier B, then they will assist you with that. I believe if you are at importation engineering, you have one or two suppliers B that you've been working with. Yes, if they are on WeChat, they will be able to assist you to verify WeChat accounts because you have to get somebody who's on WeChat to help you with that. And I face now person be I won't download it from the start here. You can just go with the primary kind of saying ways now by using high translate to translating the page. So with time, if you're able to get somebody who can be trusted and also only will be a one or two beer, that person can assist you with that. Yeah, but if you already have the WeChat now, all you have to do is to open the WeChat, like I'm about to show you. Then you link it to Pinduoduo, then you'll be able to translate using the WeChat. Yeah. So let's start. So the very first thing I'm going to say, I'll first open my Pinduoduo app. Nti yɛbie app na this is how it looks, and yɛhwɛ a biribiara in Chinese ɛwɔ ha say. So how do we link the page to WeChat? Sɛ meba ha say you can see say my profile no, and how my profile no me contact na yɛden create here because we share me din na the right side there's this phone icon over there. Nti me boss wa once a number na me create account na yɛden and never honors. This 39 chat phone. Tell them the create account. But Pinduoduo will create account and it will also give you the option to use WeChat to create. So whichever that you prefer, It is only WeChat that you can still create Pinduoduo account by using your number. Yeah. So very simple, like I'm saying. Then to translate the page to English, this is what you would do. First, so will be your WeChat account, Will be a WeChat account now. Send an interface in it here. You first come to me. Now, at the me section, me page, your pay and service or into pay and services in this one. This is a page now where they will be for pay and service. And there's a lot of options over here, but the one that you're looking for, buy together. And so what you buy together, and so all you have to do is to click on buy together, and link it to Pinduoduo. Normally, if you haven't linked to Pinduoduo using WeChat now, you will get a dummy data. But maybe I say now, you see, I've already linked this section to me WeChat and Pinduoduo. You will see my details over there. But we will be on your link here. You see a dummy data unless you try to link it first. Yeah. So now, how to translate the page, is just by clicking on this dot yeah, at the top right corner, no, I say or dot me or back way very good. So just click on that one, then it will open these options for me. And what I'm looking for is translate. So Miss Kura, I have translate. Then now the page is being translated. In the sanity, what I say. Inti now no young go back na ho say bia ebetimi ato a product by using this option. Let me see say we are more product bia me that to kata. Okay, so I will try and purchase this, and now I have the go to the, it's supposed to be full, but you see format, English translating because of test format, the Chinese, they did everything in Chinese, yeah, and they have their test limits near their identity. I say you can see say the page is being translated, but it's been overlapping on each other because they didn't use English to their you can't say to do the default coding and whatever how almost happen, yeah. Until now, no, okay, so this page is open. Let's go to pay now and see. All right, so I think this section is by default linking me to Alipay. I kind of say WeChat payment. So I think if you are doing everything here, then it means that you have to be on WeChat payment that before you can be able to make payments, because I don't see any Alipay option over here. So that's the one disadvantage over here, because you cannot find Alipay over here. But aside that, you can do everything here. And when it comes to the payment section, all you have to do is to go back and do your payment. So if I come to Pinduoduo, Julia, and come to the product I was trying to purchase now I can find it here. See the main thing about the red icon I was here also. And then at this station there, I can clearly see the Alipay option over there. So I will just click on the pay now, and then bam. Yeah, so which is all you see WeChat, you can just translate the page and get to understand how you can navigate on the platform. To a beginner now, if I will try say better system now, yeah, you can get yourself a WeChat, and by chance you have a WeChat, so you can use this process and also to convert the pages and I say all the other products network system also to English, so that I'll be very simple. Like I said, all you have to do is to get a WeChat account. Yeah, so that's it for the day. And like I said, so here agent and actually our suppliers come, or you can just contact me. Here will be so I'm training. We are there. We can assist you with the importation training. And at first, so if you are trying to venture into farming or any business, be outside now, person starting business, be buying the gadgets and equipment or devices that you need to start whatever business that you want to do. Most of the times, you get these heavy products from Alibaba, and when it comes to the process now, people hardly believe that they are legit. So you can just come in, and we also help you with the process buying all these products here. I've been buying a lot of goods for people, trust me. Yeah, and say open also started, there's a chance for you to come. Dollar no. And I'm going to say R&B, is very stable right now. So just seize the chance and start something today. That's what I can say. So see you next time. Bye.